Good morning. For today's skill building, we're going to be solving exponential equations. So here's an example. 3 to w plus 2 power equals 81. Our job is to find w. And what we need is a common base. Bases are the 3 and the 81. This part up here is the exponent, and the whole thing is called a power. So I need both of these to be written as 3 to the something. This one already is, so it's done. This one, 3 to what power is 81? That turns out to be 4, and you can check that with your calculator. 3 to the 4th power is 81. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So now, because I have the same base, I can set my exponents equal to each other and then solve for w. So my answer here is w equals 2. We can do a little check. 3 to the 2 plus 2 is supposed to equal 81. 3 to the 4th power is supposed to equal 81. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And that's right, because here's 9 and there's 9. 9 times 9 is 81. It works. So my answer is right here. W equals 2. Right, here's another one. 4 to the 2x minus 3 equals 4,096. So again, I need the same base, and you're always going for the smaller number. So 4 to the 2x minus 3 equals 4 to some power. And you're going to have to play around on your calculator for a little while. So you try 4 squared, you try 4 to the 3rd, and it ends up being 6 again. So 4 to the 6th is 4,096. Again, now that I have the same base, I can set my exponents equal to each other. So 2x equals 9, divide by 2, so x is going to be 4.5. And again, you can check that. 4 to the 2 times 4.5 minus 3. So this 2 4.5s is 9, 9 minus 3 is 6, so 4 to the 6th, does that equal 496? And yes, it does. So my answer is 4.5. Okay, last one for today. This time I cannot write this as 25 to the something, but I can find a smaller number that goes into both of these, and that is 5. 5 squared is 25. So I'm going to put the squared there, and then this piece is going to come down and stay in parentheses. Same thing is going to happen over here. 5 to the 3rd power. 5 times 5 is 25, and 5 25s is 125. So now that I have the same base, I can set my exponents equal to each other. And now we're going to solve this like an Algebra 1 problem. So I'm going to distribute here and here. 3 times 2 is 6x plus 3 equals 2x minus 6. Move stuff so that they're next to each other. So I'm going to go ahead and this will be 4x plus 3 equals negative 6. Move the 3 over. And divide by 4. 4 goes into 9, 2 1/4 times. Negative divided by positive is a negative. And there it is. And you can check that if you want, but that is the correct answer. That's it for today. Thank you.